Uh, Hello traders, this is Ed. Welcome to Ed Traders live today. So just to the point, we are doing analysis and some trades on gold. Already gold trade is already running. Gold trade is already running here, and the analysis I think we have already about to be passing through the analysis again. You see why I've taken that sell trade on gold. We see what's really going on. Okay, so just ensure you share the live. Just ensure you share the live. Share the live. Share the live. Share the live. Okay, just ensure you share the live. So give me a second. Okay, so ensure you share this live so that the rest can see what you're doing. So I did analysis the other day on gold, and I told you that gold is supposed to be leaning on the bearish side. I think even on Sunday, when we were doing analysis on our TikTok channel, we talked about gold is supposed to, due to the pains that took place on the lower side, I told you that if you start on the upper side, you will see maybe gold behaving in a certain way. Yeah, there was some haircuts there. Sorry for that. So let's continue. Now this analysis I did, and I just want to do some brief analysis today so that you see what's up. So checking on this guy on the weekly time frame. Checking on this guy on the weekly time frame, I think we have talked about how the market moved. Let's start on the monthly first. When we check on the monthly time frame, just using some SMC concept here and there, you can see how the market left this space here. And I told you when this month is starting, I told you that I'm expecting, depending on how last month ended, something like a shooting star you can see there. So I was expecting at least this month to at least come down and fill this gap here, something of that sort. Then on the weekly perspective, we had a fair value gap at this level here. And this fair value gap, we have seen the market dancing around this fair value gap at this level here on the weekly perspective. The market breaking through it, coming up again, breaking through it, coming back again, something of that sort. So let me just okay, so I should share the live so that the rest can see what you're doing. Let me just share this live. Okay, let me share this live. So ensure you share the live so that the rest can see what we're doing. So let's continue with gold. Let's continue with gold. Yeah, let's continue with gold. So what's up now? So after checking on the weekly time frame, we see how the market has been dancing around this level. Yes, we see there's quite a number of pins on this fair value gap on the weekly time frame, but we know on the monthly perspective, the price is at least supposed to come a bit lower, you know, to maybe tap on this FVG. Does it mean it's a must for the price to come here? No, it's not a must. But at least we can get a clue on how last month ended. The way last month ended at least is giving us a clue. There's a possibility such kind of a thing happening, you know. And the current month is still starting. That's why also we cannot so much be strong in our conclusion that that's how it is going to behave. But as the month is continue, maybe we can see such kind of a characteristic. So on the weekly time frame, this is an FVG here. We are not seeing much on the candle that was coming down. It's just some candlestick pattern, some red candles coming down, although they are retracing up with a wick. That one showing us that somehow some weakness is coming, pushing the market to the bullish side. Then coming to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, you can see how the market accumulated at this level, and also these pins on the top. And this kind of accumulation we found at this level, and then the market breaking through it with a fair value gap here, also gave us a certain story, you know. Then we see this market retesting here, breaking this low, forming a low here, and then again forming another lower low. And then the market has been forming lower highs as it continues. And then also we watch out this market structure on my TikTok live, even on the 4-hour time frame. and we saw a very distinct and unique structure of this market, So the market is still starting here. The market is still starting here, now receding and moving down. And we know when we go to the 4-hour time frame, I show you the market structure on my TikTok live. This market structure on the 4-hour time frame. You can see how this market had moved. The market was moving up, compressing to the upside, but you see at this level, that formed the daily FVG. The market crashed down, forming a low, forming a high. This now we had around this level, we have a lower low. And then at this level here, the market is coming again and is forming almost an equal high. You see equal high at this level. And this is the level now I'm expecting at least the market to respond to that zone and possibly form another lower low, you see. So that's just my thinking process. And this is the trade. I placed this trade yesterday. And I don't know how it's going to end, but I believe probably this market is supposed to go down. That's according to me. And seeing how the market is behaving at this level, and early this morning I saw on Asian session is early morning on my side, I saw the market forming a bearish engulfing pattern, and us moving on 1-hour time frame. On 1-hour time frame, let me show you. On the 1-hour time frame, I saw this structure here. You see this triangular pattern formed at this level. And then even on the 1-hour time frame, we had an FVG here, the price we tested on it. And now we have a price breaking through this low here, breaking through this low. And I'm expecting it even as maybe the London session, as now it is getting in, probably the price can do some a bit of manipulation, a bit, even some few weeks, and then we continue with the bearish move down, okay? So yes, that's according to me. So someone might ask me, if maybe someone want to enter, how can you maybe get into this market? I believe the first thing is to wait for this low. You know this because the market has formed even on top. For me, we got in yesterday with my VIPs too. So we are still cruising in profit in this market. But at this level up here, it formed also, you can see a structure of a double top at this level. You can see a double top structure forming at that level. Okay, just a second. Let me see what's going on. Yeah, so you can see a double top structure forming at the top side here. So this double top, it's also giving us some confidence that the market is supposed to go down. And then we move to 4-hour, and 4 hours giving us a bearish engulfing candle. So in case if maybe someone want to get into this market, I will maybe advise you to leave the current hourly candle to end. Then since also we have a chart pattern at this level here, what you will do is that after the current hourly candle has ended, if it ends strongly bearish like this, I believe it will do something like a retracement. The next candle will do something like a retracement up, because I want this neckline to be broken. After the neckline has been broken, this one I've made a shade on. You see the one I've marked here. After this neckline has been broken, then the next hourly candle will do something like a retest up. You see, let me go to 15-minute candle. Yeah, the next candle will do something like a retest. Okay, you can see there's something like a break even on 15 minutes. So the next candle, I would expect something like a retest, especially to this 20 EMA, and then we continue with the bearish move, okay? So that's how we are going to, for those who want to get into this market right now, that's how you are going to get in. Wait for a retest up, and then we pile up other entries, okay? Yeah, so ensure when you are around here, just like the live, ensure you like the live, and do what? Share the live, like the live, share the live, and let me know in the comment section, of this live, if in case you have a question, you want me to analyze any other instrument, let me know right now. Let me know right now if there's any instrument you want me to help you with. So we are just waiting for that kind of a characteristic on gold. If gold will be able to give us that kind of a feature, that retest, I'm telling you, I will get in again with another entry again on a sell. On currencies, I was watching GBP AOD and Euro AOD, especially Euro AOD. Euro AOD, I think it is doing some retest up, and then I believe also it can continue with the bearish trend, something of that sort. So they are also the ones I'm also watching currently. If they give me what I want, I can continue with them too. So this guy, Right now, maybe I can just target this liquidity point here, but maybe after that, if in case it does what I think there, then I can continue with the pips going down. Let me check. Yeah, looking forward for something like 500 pips, 400, 500. If I would be able to take it all over down there, if it would be what I think, then I think that one would be awesome. Yeah, so for those who are around, ensure you like the live, and comment. Today we are not on our TikTok. Today I'm not on TikTok. I decided to be coming on YouTube. At least tomorrow I will be on TikTok tomorrow too. But right now I'm still around here. Okay, I can see Godfrey saying Audi USD. Okay. Let me check for you Audi USD. Let me check for you Audi USD. So very fast, let me see. I think it is on my malls here. Oh, uh, 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 uh. You can see I had already placed a double top on this level here. Oh, I had placed a double top here. I think I don't even analyze this market, USD. I think that's a very interesting one. It's also basically bearish. This market is basically bearish, and there's a possibility even this week can be bearish on Audi USD. What I'm thinking, because you can see I'd drawn this zone of supply. Let's just go to the weekly time frame. Let's go to the monthly and see what's happening. On the monthly, you see there was an FVG here. The market tapped into it. Now we can see the market came up, but basically the market is forming lower highs even on the monthly time frame. So going on the weekly, you can see now we had the market coming to this zone of supply, and also we have an FVG here that the market has been mitigating most of the time, and right now the market is reacting to it once again. Going on the daily time frame, you can see the market is very strongly bullish, and maybe what you can do on the daily time frame is just to check maybe to check what you can just check maybe some discount zone that possibly this market is coming to. So the market can probably be coming to this zone here. Let me check it on 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, okay, just a minute. Oh, that was a very beautiful double top. Yeah, on the 4-hour time frame, I can see below on the discount zone. I can see this level here. You can see some block of orders at this level. So possibly the market is coming here. Audi USD. It can arrive there today or whatever it is, but possibly Audi USD can arrive there, especially if this EMA is broken. The moment you see the EMA is being broken on 4-hour time frame, then you know it can just do a backflip, and then we continue to this price point. Okay, this is the 4-hour time frame, this price point, but it is bullish. So when it comes to this price point, this is where you can pick it again to go to the upward direction. Okay, this is Audi USD. So the one who asked me on Audi USD, I think I've helped people on Audi USD. I think I've helped you on Audi USD. Yeah, so the one who asked me about Audi USD, I think I've done you justice. Let's go back to gold. Yeah, now let's go back to gold now. Now let's go back to gold and see what our boy gold is doing. Yeah. Now let's watch gold. Okay. Yes, so let me just place a watermark so that you can see. So I'm dealing with gold now. Let's see what's up now with this guy. Yeah, so the one who asked me about Audi USD, I think the analysis has been done. Probably you're okay with that. Godfrey saying I picked a buy on GBP yesterday, hit a sell and then continue to buy. Yes, I think this morning it gave you something good. Godfrey. Because I believe I would use GBP but I think early this morning, I think there was something like news. I think it sprang up very strongly and possibly are able to take something. So on gold, we are just waiting for that retest there. And then for those who want to get in, that's how you'll be able to get in. It was very interesting, I know. USD was very interesting. It gave some nice, it shoot up, And also I'm watching it. But I think even for the USD, you have to be a bit careful because I don't think if it might continue up for long. Because I was just doing general analysis on almost many instruments, GBP instruments and JPY instrument. I was doing the analysis this morning during Asia, just checking on their possible movement and things like that. And I realized that those guys can really they have a directional bias. For example, Euro LD, that guy can spring up. I was expecting that springing up, and then after that, you can see it. Uh, you can see it again going down again. You can see it springing down, going down to the bearish side. You see, moving to the bearish side. Sorry. You can see it moving again to the bearish side. And that's what I'm expecting. Even Euro LD today, it will be on my list because I can short it, by the way. Euro LD, I can short it. I can short that guy. I can short that guy. Let me just see what's happening. Okay, so let's wait for gold. We see what gold is doing, and then those who want to get an entry, you'll be able to get an entry. Okay, so this is gold. So if you see something like a very nice retest there, that's when you can get in. That's when you can get into the market. Yes, so share the live, share the live. For those who are around, ensure you like the live. And ensure you like the live. If you have not subscribed, ensure you subscribe on this channel so that you'll be able to get all these things the right time, Be able to get them, all of them, the right time. Okay, so let's check. Let's check on gold. For those who are waiting, let's just wait for that rebounds and then we'll be able to take some trades. Yeah, so let's watch and see what this market is gonna do next. Let's watch after this. Yeah, so we are waiting for it. We are targeting at that level. If it's able to recoil well at that level, I think that will be a great blessing for us, you know. For those maybe who have not got in, you'll be able maybe to grab some trade. Yeah, so if you have not subscribed, ensure you subscribe. If you have not subscribed, ensure you subscribe. So I'm watching, even on currencies, there are quite a number of instrument I'm watching currently. There are quite a number of instrument I'm watching currently, even on currencies. Even the one my friend here have talked about, GBP I'm also watching it to see its behavior. If it behaves the way I think, then I can really go for it. I can really go for it. Let me check. Okay, so let's just watch how it's going to behave. Let's watch how it's going to behave. If maybe you want to take the trade, just ensure you stay around. If in case it will present, you'll just see. Okay. Okay, we'll just see. And Euro LD, specifically on Euro LD, I'm watching for it if it can give a sell. If it can give a sell, I'll be very happy, you know. That's what I'm watching on it. If it will be able to give me a sell, I will take it very, very fast. I'll take it very, very fast. But right now on gold, I'm still surviving with it. Still surviving with it. We placed this trade yesterday, you know, and we have been holding it for a long, long time. Right now, even we just want to break even and we just leave it to run just like that. Just want to break even and then we leave it to run just like that. Okay, so let's watch and see if it will be able to give us something. If it will be able to give us something. Yeah, so traders are still waiting. Um, yeah, patience is key, you know. We wait to see how the market is going to behave at that level. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's see what the market is gonna do. So any moment we see a very nice retest to be able to respond. Just got some echo here. Let me remove it. Okay, so that's it. Let's just continue waiting. We see if you'll be able to get some trade. If we'll be able to get some trade. Yeah, I've seen as if GBP card is giving a buy. I don't know. Let me check. I've seen as if GBP card is giving something like a buy. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, so if you have not subscribed, ensure you subscribe so that you'll be able to get all these updates the right time. Okay, so if you want to get a good entry, I think it's good for you to wait for, because I believe even though you are seeing this market is giving a bearish bias there, it will give you something like a retest up first. You see, it will give you something like a retest up before the continuation down. So just ought to be extremely careful at that level. You ought to be careful there. Let me place GBP AUD. As we're still waiting for something on gold, let's check other currencies. We see if there's something. The one I was waiting for is on is Euro AUD, Euro AUD, and even US oil. US oil. After we had done that analysis on TikTok that it was supposed to buy from here. After that buy, you can see now the market is responding again to the downside. Let's go to which one again did I want to check on? I think it is down here. Let me check UJ, EJ, Euro AUD. Yeah, I'm expecting this Euro AUD to have some bearish impression. Still watching it. And also GBP USD, but GBP USD is supposed to be bullish. Exactly. GBP USD is at a perfect point, I think. GBP USD is at a perfect point. I expect GBP USD at least at this point, according to my technicals, GBP USD at that point is supposed to give some buy, you know. You can see the rejection at that level. GBPUSD is supposed to give a buy here. That's what I'm expecting. GBPUSD is supposed to give a buy. Then if it breaks down more, I will see. But that level, I'm expecting a buy on GBPUSD. This guy was supposed to give some sales, but I can see it crashed very strong already. I don't think maybe if I can get into it. Yeah, you can see a very neat head and shoulder there. Okay, CAD JPY. NZD JPY. Audi JPY is supposed to, yeah, the impression is still, let me check. Yeah, that one I'm still waiting. GBPCHF is supposed also to buy at this level. I'm expecting it to buy at this level, GBPCHF. USD card is probably supposed to continue with the bullish impression, and now we have gold. We're expecting the bearishness to continue down. So I'll just see. The most important thing for me is the setup. If they doesn't give me the setup, there I don't go. Okay. Okay, let's wait for gold now. Black emoji officially saying hello, hello, black emoji. How are you doing? I can see you're saying hi. Hello. Hope you're doing good. Are you in gold trade? So if you have not subscribed, ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you'll be able to get every update. Be able to get every update of whatever I'm doing. Mhm. Okay, let me see. Mhm. Yeah, I think this is a zone someone can take a re-entry. What I think, let's just wait for this 15-minute candle to end. After it has ended, then someone can possibly take a re-entry. Okay, let's wait for it to end. That's a possible re-entry zone I'm seeing. And in case if maybe you need another trade again, just let me know. Okay, I speak is saying GJ. Okay, no problem. Do you want me to help with GJ? Okay, let me check it out. GJ, I think GJ, let me see it on my other screen, what GJ is supposed to do. Okay, GBP, I'm just checking it on my other screen. I'm seeing what GJ is doing. Tam, 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 GJ, 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 GJ. You know, GJ, let me check it on 5. I think let's not GJ lure you into selling that guy. I don't think if GJ has a clear sell structure right now. Possibly you can just wait because according to what I'm seeing, let me see. According to what I'm seeing with GJ is that GJ possibly is coming down to take a certain zone before continuation up. That's what I'm seeing right now. But the structure of GJ is not clean, but I think it's still bullish. That guy still, I think, is still bullish. Unless maybe today he gave us some clean structure, but without that the GJ in general is still bullish. That's just my thought. Okay. So the one who is asking me about GJ, I think I've answered you on that. GJ, we are possibly maybe moving continue the bullish impression. Okay, so for those who want to get a re-entry on entry on gold, we are just waiting for the current 15-minute candle to end. We can see there's a lot of wicks forming. You can see there's a lot of wicks forming here. Okay, let's just wait and see what is going to happen. So GJ, I think I've talked about GJ. For GJ, I think that's the correct response. GJ, do not try to counter to take it down, because even on the higher time frame right now, GJ, you know, is bullish. You see, so it has not given a clean structure for a sell, unless maybe it does something like that. That I think is just a retracement. Then it will continue the bullishness. You know. Yeah. So let's see. So for those who are around, if you have not subscribed, ensure you subscribe, so that every moment I'm live, you are able to see, we are able to trade together, you know, you are able to trade together, take some trades together. Okay, so I will be back when I see something maybe significant. When I see a re-entry on gold, I will come back and let you know. So for the moment, let's just wait. Yeah, so for those who are around, this is a zone of a re-entry on gold. This is how you can enter gold right now. You can get into gold at this level. Let me just show you. Place your stop loss at this level. If you want to get into gold, this is the time, okay? Ensure your stop loss is above this level. It's a bit big, but the moment it comes to that level here, I think it would be a very nice zone for you to get in. So you can get in at this level and then you place your stop loss here. Stop loss can be around 23, 25, 7. Then we move, okay? Yeah, so that's the option. Or the second option is for you to wait for the current 30-minute candle to end. Because what it can do is that maybe it can come back to give you a good entry, and then you just place your stop loss the same place, and then you enter and you leave the market run. You see, that can be another best way of getting a re-entry into this market. Okay. So for TikTok, I will be around maybe by tomorrow, something of that sort. That's when I will be on live on TikTok. But today, I just saw it well to come around on YouTube. I have some live here before check on other things. So let's wait for that. You can get in and place your stop loss there, or wait for the current 30-minute candle to end before you get an entry. That's up to you now. Yes, you can sell now. You can sell. You can sell. Someone's asking me whether to sell. At this moment, you can sell. Then your stop loss is to place it at 23.25. Okay. Ensure your stop loss is at 23.25. Then you sell it. Okay. You can sell. You can sell.